Confused about curtain hooks? Whether you're hanging blackout, sheer, or pleated curtains, choosing the right hook makes all the difference. In this quick guide, we'll show you the most common types of curtain hooks, when to use them, and how to install them like a pro. Part 1, Hook Types. Let's start with the most popular types of curtain hooks. 1. Pin hooks, ideal for pleated curtains like pinch pleat or pencil pleat. Slide into the heading tape and hook onto rings or gliders. 2. S-hooks, perfect for eyelet or tab-top curtains hung on rods. Easy to install and remove. 3. Clip rings, these clip onto the top of any curtain, great for lightweight fabrics. No sewing required. 4. Track glider hooks, designed for curtain tracks, they glide smoothly and work best with blackout or lined curtains. 5. Pleat hooks, 4-prong, used for deep pinch pleats. They create a clean, tailored look, popular for formal settings. 2. Installation tips. Now let's install a curtain using pin hooks and heading tape. Lay your curtain flat with the tape facing up. Insert pin hooks into the sewn pockets of the tape, spacing them evenly. Hook each pin into the track or ring on the curtain rod. Adjust the height by inserting the pin higher or lower in the tape. For track systems, use glider hooks. Simply slide them into the track, then attach the curtain hooks. Quick, clean, and durable. That's it. Choosing the right hook is a small step, but it gives your curtains a perfect drape and professional finish. For premium blackout curtains and expert fitting in the UAE, visit blackoutcurtain.ae today. Shop now at blackoutcurtain.ae. Book a free consultation. Fast installation.